72-hour freedom challenge. Is it worth it or not? I'm going to cover it in this video today. It's not every day that I personally do a review video, guys. I wanted to, stop and just share with you guys this product that's available, or rather more than a product, it's a course that's available that you can get access to. And I've been following Jonathan Montoya for a long time, and if you haven't seen him on YouTube and you're in this affiliate marketing space, I'm surprised, but he's a phenomenal affiliate marketer. He does have a 72-hour challenge, and what I wanted to do in this video today is kind of go over it with you and see whether it makes sense for you or not. Now, I personally decided to jump in and get it a couple of years ago. So I've had it for the last 2 years and I still am recommending it. This is the first time I'm actually making a review video about it because I don't really do review videos. I take the training, I apply the training, I'm, share this information, and I earn commissions as an affiliate marketer. Nothing is guaranteed. There is no guaranteed, obviously, results that are possible. But what we can do is share with you the information to help you with that buying decision. And I hope this video helps you with that decision. The first thing that everybody will ask is, how much does the 72-hour challenge cost? Before we get into it, so the 72-hour challenge, just for you guys to understand, we're talking about a $5 challenge. Okay, literally it is $5 to get started. It's almost a no-brainer, and it opens your eyes to the world of affiliate marketing, doing organic social media marketing and YouTube, but taking it seriously for the long term. So Jonathan Montoya is this person, as you guys can see right here in the video, who is the one teaching. He is a super affiliate. He's got a huge list. He has his own software now also, but he's still an amazing affiliate for most of those top high ticket products as well that are available. So I'm going to go through the structure and share with you guys what's in the course, but it's for $5. So a couple of years ago it was for 9, and now he's actually brought down the price to $5. So worst case scenario is, if at the end of this video you decide to get the 72-hour challenge with the link in the description of this video and the pinned comments, then you are only losing out to that $5, and it is, by the way, also refundable if I'm not mistaken. Okay, it's a no-brainer, honestly, to get started. When you do, you get access to a back office, which I'm going to show you guys right here. Now, I'm going to share with you my experience because it's coming from also a perspective that I've already been an affiliate marketer and I do not own. I'll explain to you what it is, but basically it's starting to share with you first and foremost the roadmap, as you guys can see right here, which gives you a very clear guideline with homework and everything. So it's a solid lesson over there. Then you can book your call with your advisor, and it gives you kind of different elements in day number 1. In day number 2, it's going to talk to you about your automated sales system. Now, the automated sales system in the past was available, and I'm saying this so that you guys understand, in the past was available on a system.io, where you could basically take the entire course that he has. So Jonathan Montoya has a free course that's available and teaches you all of this, and you can use that as a lead magnet and brand yourself in the long term. Basically brand yourself with him, so you're leveraging his authority in the space, as well as you are putting yourself out there, and that's how you get more conversions, because you're leveraging somebody else's authority. And this is how he's doing it. He's still doing it this way, but since he launched last year his own software, he's basically giving you guys a trial of this software for 2 weeks. So you've joined a challenge for 72 hours, let me put it that way, and then you decide to use those 2 weeks to get a funnel, or I think it's a week or 2 weeks, let me check right here, accept, continue to destination, and 14-day free trial. So it's a 2-week free trial for the software that he has. It's a white label software of Go High Level, which he's using, and basically you will get access to this entire automated system that he has. And in this entire automated system that he also has I think around many affiliate products. So as long as you have those affiliate links, you can add those links there, and the automation and everything is taken pretty much care of for you. But if you want a done for you service, you can also get the done for you service. So the second part is about the automated system. And then to get access to day 3, this is the crucial element, and this is maybe why the challenge works so well. To get access to day 3, you have to book a call with your advisor. Basically, that's it. Okay. So you have to book a call with your business advisor or the person who is going to talk to you and share with you and learn about your desires, your outcomes, what's your goal with this challenge, where do you want to reach, how do you want to make that money, etc., etc., etc. So it gives you kind of a plan, support, guidance, community, everything all in one on this Zoom call. And then you can maybe decide, and after that Zoom call, the advisor will let the other this next video to be unlocked for you. Actually, this video is available for you, but the next, sorry, how do I put it? Yeah, the next day three will be, as you guys can see right here, locked because you haven't booked your appointment. So in order to get this unlocked, you have to book your appointment right here. You go and get yourself booked. Once you have your challenge booked, then only after that you'll get access to the rest of the information. Now, I do want to mention that these are secret traffic methods, but you also get any which ways traffic methods from it. So even if you don't get that and you just scroll down right here, you'll see that you get updates on TikTok, proven viral shorts, done for you systems that we built, for example, DM Accelerator. So all of these are extra information that's available for you within the course itself. Now, on the back end, when you go through this entire course, you'll realize that on the back end, there is a couple of things that are available. For example, the back end, they do have the freedom breakthrough, which is basically the next step of this entire journey that Jonathan Montoya is taking you through, and says, okay, that's great, but now let's really focus. This is the only thing that you're going to need. It's a setup, it's coaching, it's you entering into my ecosystem in my space. I'm going to show you how to really dominate YouTube, how to really dominate XYZ with new technology that's coming in. And I will share with you guys a little bit more what's in the back office. But you can also become an affiliate for Freedom Accelerator and Freedom Breakthrough and the Freedom Challenge. All of these things you can become an affiliate to and earn commissions on, because he does that for his affiliates as well, right? So you can earn a commission on Freedom Breakthrough. When you also sell it to somebody else, you get, I think, if I'm not mistaken, a 50% commission on it. So that's available here. As you can see, the cost of this course is 3,000. No, sorry, this is the combo, is 2,000. It's 2,000 right here, and you can have a split pay of, I think it's 747 per month for 3 payments. But yeah, all of it is available right here. You put your card details in, get started. There are many testimonials, because there are a lot of people who have taken this course. So that's on the back end. Okay, that's on the back end. That's how it works. You will find a link in the description of this video which will take you to basically this page right here, which talks about 15 income streams in 30 minutes. It's basically the 72-hour challenge that you're giving them access to, and that it's going to open the door for them. Now, I will say that Jonathan Montoya, this is more of a personal opinion more than anything else. I have been following him for a long time when he was just teaching some YouTube information, and I was so amazed. I was still using his info at that time, but to see his growth has been incredible for me, because he's taken the growth of a YouTuber and a marketer and getting organic content. And yes, he's used solo ads. Yes, he's used advertising. Yes, he's used paid advertising like Facebook ads and so on and so forth. So he's not shy to use all these methods, but he's really good at organic YouTube content and also Facebook now. And this is what sets him apart, that he's present, he's doing it, and then he's teaching you guys, us as well. So that's why I personally decided to, not only back him by supporting and reviewing this content, but also putting it on my website. So if you guys go to my blog, I'll link it in the description. You'll find actually, Jonathan Montoya on there, because I am also an affiliate for exactly his products, because they work. Okay, they work. As I said, I personally have the 3-day challenge, but let's say that you wanted to see the Freedom Breakthrough webinar. This is literally a webinar that you can get access to. Share it, and as I said, you saw the course costs. If somebody's interested in the course costs, you saw $2,000. Okay, so that they can, if they decide to get it, then you're getting a commission there. And if I believe it is 40% commissions, let me check right here, 40% recurring commissions. Okay, if somebody goes and gets after the funnel freedom, which is the software, and they stay on, you're getting 40% of that commission as well, right? He has just put on a new AI freedom launchpad course, which is a brilliant one. Again, a one-time offer. you can get commissions on it. He has added a micro SaaS launchpad, which is basically teaching you how to create tools that you can sell to other companies and so on. Again, this is available for 47, and guess what? You can become an affiliate for it by just joining through that $5. So when I look at it, I think about it in two things. One is that it's quality content. Two is that the training is definitely evergreen. Three, I can see the value in becoming an affiliate. I'm spending $5, but I'm becoming an affiliate. And literally, if I just make one high ticket sale, man, that's a huge profit. If I make one $5 sale, then I get $2. So I just need basically three sales for the challenge, and I'm sorted for my money back. Let me put it that way. And so on and so forth. So it is quite interesting. I really like the way he set things up. And yeah, if you want to, take a look at the 72-hour challenge, I will link it in the description. And after that, you can find the rest of the information within the course itself. If you want to go to Funnel Freedom, or if you want to get the Freedom Breakthrough, either which ways, it's available within the training itself. Remember, you're getting 15 streams of income with this training within 30 minutes, and you need to have that software so you get it done and upgrade it within 30 minutes. You don't need your own products, guys. You really don't. It is possible to earn as an affiliate and make pretty decent money as an affiliate if you take the right actions. And that's exactly what he's teaching us here within the entire course. I love to see the roadmap, and none of these trainings are half-hearted, guys. You can see this is a 39 minute video. If I go to the automated system part, you can see that this video first and foremost is an hour and 11 minutes, and it goes through even like domain setup. It goes through every single thing so that you have your system in place by day 2. All you need to do is spend that hour and a half with this video, and you're set. You're literally set. And then after that, just focus on driving traffic. How does Jonathan Montoya specifically drive traffic? Through YouTube. But he also has other sources, and he's teaching you guys that within this training. So again, if you have any questions, let me know. It's something that I recommend. Worst case scenario, you're losing out on $5. You can get that $5 back. If you want to claim a refund, it's up to you. I suggest not to, but if you do, it's up to you. And I'm just gonna leave everything, plainly and openly there. I hope this video has been educational and given you an idea if you want to get started. I personally, if you're interested in YouTube, guys, this is something to pay attention to, because ultimately you will learn how he's doing it for the long term, and you can always refer to his 95,000 subscriber channel at the moment, and I'm sure it's going to be 100K soon, with which he has, and it's all based on affiliate marketing. So if anybody tells you that in this space it's hard to grow, that shows that it isn't. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. If you have any questions, let me know. Keep paving the way for your dreams to come true, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.